How y'all doing? And thanks for watching. This is George here at Wicked Warnings in what you can see as the new space. What you're looking at in front is our auto flasher kit on the DRL headlights. That's a no-cut install. As you can see, we got quite a number of things going on this brand new 2020 Ram cabin chassis. All right, a little straight-on shot there. As you can see, we've got our Wicked Warnings auto flasher on a Dodge. You asked, we listened, we tried it, it worked. I just got to show you this shot again because this is just mean looking. I like it. It turned out real nice. The DRLs, top and bottom, are just very cool. Well, you can see the Wicked Warnings auto flasher module. It's on the reverse. That's also a no-cut install. Yeah, you heard right. No factory wires were harmed in the filming of this video. So we got a brand new 2022 Ford Super Duty here. And we've got our mirror mod module. This is the newest version. So that's what you're going to get with the plug and play mirror mod. This is going to be the Wicked Warnings brand, single and double dash light. We got a big old box truck from Flood Brothers. What I'm excited to show you guys is some new stuff. Real excited to get into these M-Powers. You can see here on the left how the amber turn signal on the right side there is going to override that white DRL. And I guess when I say that we're your source for lighting for a number of things and pretty much anything, including wood chippers now. And we got a little bit of blue on this package, specifically requested for the location. This truck come all the way here from Texas. We got a brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. And here you can see a little bit of the other work we did. Now that's our front float mode. We also have our warning mode, as you can see here. This is a unique build for a volunteer fireman. It's a brand new Traverse. This is for our friends in the security industry. We're featuring our Raptor LED, just an awesome light bar. I really like the fit in these GMC grills on that particular light bar as well. Alright, of course out the back, we couldn't let the front have all the fun. We're running our auto flasher module on the headlight C-rings. Underneath it, you can see our Wicked Slick Stick 6 head there. What we're featuring in the front of that truck is our 8-head Wicked Slick Stick LED bar. It fits quite nicely, very easy to install. His actual terminology was flash every single light on the truck that you can. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety and strobe lighting equipment.